Here I have Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'm going to show you how to customize quick launch feature on this device. So quick launch is basically when you double press side key and you can perform different actions like this. For example, I can quickly open my camera. But to customize this feature, you have to go firstly to the settings, then to the advanced features, side key, and here you can select if you want to quick launch camera, open Bixby, or you can open app. And here you can select which app do you want to open, like this. For example, let's open gallery. And as you can see right now, when I double tap power key, I can quickly open gallery. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.